Good evening and thanks for joining us. A Macon family still waiting for justice 4 years after a tragic boating accident claimed their son's life. On July 24, 2021, Fish and Pig restaurant staff members were aboard an anchored pontoon boat when another boat crashed into them. 22-year-old William Childs died and 6 others were hurt. Tonight, a trial is now on the books. Maggie Fitzgerald joins us in studio to explain where the case stands now.
Yeah, Lori, Jeannie and Mike Childs have spent years navigating the court system in hopes of getting answers about their son's death. But delays, emotional hurdles, and a legal system they say has been slow to act has often left them in the dark about what comes next.
He was always talking about his next adventure, where he was going to go. So, it's always the next adventure.
An eye for adventure and a zest for life. That's how Will's parents remember him. A Rutland grad finding his purpose before his dreams were cut short on these waters 4 years ago.
Any parent that goes through what we went through, they deserve justice. And we yet to have found it.
Will and his Fish and Pig staff members were on a boat on Lake Topasofki when another boat, driven by then 57-year-old Eric Head, crashed into them at a high speed.
I saw the doctor run the reflex thing up the bottom of his foot, and there was no movement. How broken his body was. No parent should have to walk in and see that.
Will suffered a severe head injury and died from blunt force trauma. The loss is still raw for Jeannie and Mike, and the search for justice, long and painful. 4 years later, their case has still not gone to trial. Court records show it's been passed between 3 judges and multiple prosecutors.
The sleepless nights, the anxiety, the, constantly fighting the depression. And I'm like, for 4 years, how is that justice? It's not.
The pair attend every hearing, call the DA's office for updates, and work to keep their son's memory alive. And with a tentative date set for the fall, they remain hopeful to see it through.
I know other people that have been waiting a long time too. There's no justice in that, especially when you see they're out there living their life, and mine has been shattered.
And Lori, the district attorney's office says the case is tentatively scheduled for October. They sent us a statement saying depositions and forensic testing added to the delays, plus an additional civil case that was filed against the suspects as well. They say the court maintains control over scheduling and docket decisions. Back to you.
Thank you, Maggie. That separate lawsuit was filed by another victim who sustained injuries in the crash. No word on when that case could go to trial.